Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Check that your Google Home and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network and that both are updated. Open the Google Home app and sign in with the account linked to the speaker. Next, open YouTube or YouTube Music and locate the video or playlist you want. Tap the cast icon in the player. Make sure you select the correct Google Home device. Doing this starts the stream and establishes the link between apps and speaker. Once casting is established, refine how playback behaves. In the Google Home app, choose your speaker and set it as the default media output so phone or tablet sends audio there automatically. Enable any required casting permissions and link with TV options if you want visual output. Use voice match so the speaker recognizes your requests. Now try voice commands like "Hey Google, play my playlist in YouTube." This hands control to the home device and keeps playback responsive to pauses, skips, and volume changes. To finish, confirm playback quality and test basic voice controls. Pause, resume, skip. If audio routes to the phone instead of the speaker, stop casting in the app and reselect the Google Home device. For persistent failures, restart the router, your phone, and the Google Home. Make sure apps are updated and the same Google account is active. If voice commands aren't recognized, verify voice match and language settings. A single restart usually clears session or network glitches. Try that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.